welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jasmine. I make lifestyle and beauty videos. If you're returning, welcome as well. Thank you so much for your love and support. I truly do appreciate it. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I straighten my hair using two products and then just kind of what straightener I have been using. So my hair is pretty naturally like straight. It just has like some like little small waves to it. I don't know if you guys can see that. And I don't really straighten my hair so often anymore, just because I'm trying to have it grow out longer and then stronger as well. So if I do straighten my hair, it's either for a special occasion, but other than that, I kind of just leave my natural hair, or I'll do like some braids the night before and then kind of have like some mermaid waves the next day. But for the most part, I don't take too long straightening my hair either. So if you are interested in finding out what I use and then how I straighten my hair, go ahead and just keep on watching. So like I said, my hair is naturally straight for the most part. It just has like that small little like waves that it has, but I only use two products when it comes to straightening my hair. So the first thing that I use when I'm going to straighten my hair is add this product to my hair. I don't really know where you can find it. I know my mother-in-law gets it from Mexicali, so she brings it for me. But that it's basically just a hair silk that has aloe vera extract in it, and it basically is really good for when you're about to put heat on your hair, so like straightening your hair, or if you're gonna curl your hair. And then it does help with sun exposure while eliminating any frizz or any flyaways, which is something that I really like because I mostly get a lot of like frizziness, like flyaways on the top of like my hair. So I like using this right after I get off the shower and then kind of have my hair either blow dried or I'll have it just like air dried throughout the day. And the second thing that I put on is the Foxybae Cool AF Heat Protectant Spray, which looks like this. So I usually like to put this before I'm obviously about to straighten my hair, and what it has is something that I really like. It has the Biotin in it. Mainly, I'm just going to go ahead and read the back of it. It says, not only are you protecting your hair from breakage and damage, but our special Biotin Enhance formula helps build body enhances shine and provides a light hold while also helping grow your hair faster and stronger. It does have Biotin in it, which is actually going to help me grow my hair. So I'll go ahead and spray this. And I kind of focus a lot more like on the ends. And then I go ahead and just spray it all over. It actually smells really good. Reminds me of like coconut. And then I don't really use a hairbrush to comb my hair or to brush my hair. I use just a long like comb like this. And then I'll go ahead and just brush out my hair. So for the straightener that I use, I'm going to be using the Runway series, which is the Kendall Jenner one, which looks like this. So basically, I got this around December at Kohls, and the reason I got it was because one, I needed a new hair straightener because mine had broken already, and then this one happened to be on sale for about, I think it was like 50 or like 65% off. So I was like, okay, why not I just get it and then go ahead and just try it out. So I really do like how it looks. I like the white and like rose gold detail that it has on here, and then kind of like the insides. And then also it has the rose gold going around the edges of the straightener. And basically what it is, it's supposed to be helping your hair, and it's not supposed to damage it as much as a regular straightener. What I like about this one is that it leaves my hair very silky shine. Like it has that shine to it. It doesn't look like I just damaged my hair, if that makes sense. But it only has one button on the inside, and that's basically a way for you to control the settings. And then you'll go ahead and see the settings right here. Basically this little part here tells you like the settings, and it does go up to It goes up to 450 and the lowest is 265. I usually don't go up that high just because I don't want to damage my hair too much. So I'll do about 395 for it, and then that'll be good enough for me to straighten my hair, just because I also don't want to damage it too much. It does get hot pretty quick. It's already hot and I've just literally put it on for like maybe 5 seconds and it's already hot. So I'm gonna put this down. And basically what I use to kind of like separate my hair is I'll be using these Precision Beauty like hair clips that I got from Marshall's. So the first thing that I do is obviously I'm going to do a part in the middle, and then I'm going to go ahead and just part my hair in half. And then I have a mirror right next to me, so that's why I'm like looking over here. And then I'm just going to go ahead and clip it up here. So I'm just going to focus on the lower half first, and I'm gonna go ahead and brush this, make sure my hair isn't tangled. And then I'm just gonna grab one piece of hair, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just straighten it. And what I like doing is I like going kind of slow, and then once I start reaching like the ends, I kind of go a little bit faster just because I don't want that much heat on it. And as you can see, I just go around, and then there you go. We have straight hair. So I don't really take too long on each piece. Like I said, I kind of go maybe 1 or 2 times over it, and I'll go ahead and start off slowly at the top, and then once I kind of reach the ends, I'll go ahead and scroll down a little bit more faster, or straighten it down a little more faster, and then I kind of go over it again, and like that. So compared to the straightener that I had before, I think I had, actually I don't even remember what straightener I had before. I'll go ahead and like insert a picture somewhere if I am able to find it. That one didn't leave my hair as straight as I would like it to be, and it didn't have like any shine on my hair either, which I didn't really like. It kind of just looked like damaged. And the one reason why I like the straightener is because it does leave my hair a lot more shinier, and then it straightens really fast. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and move this hair that's already straight to the back, and then I'm going to start on this side now. Like I said, you're gonna start on the top, move your way down slowly, and then you're just gonna go ahead and bring it down a lot faster. I don't like having too much heat on my ends. Like I know I'm already damaging my hair by using the straightener, but I kind of like to think that I'm not damaging it too much. So here's my hair straightened from the bottom. And that took me maybe like 3 minutes, honestly. It didn't take me too long to straighten my hair. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and get another piece. I'm gonna do the same thing. Do another, part my hair again, and then just clip it on the top. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get this section right here. I'm gonna start on top, bring it down slowly, and then go a little faster. And then you can already see that it's a lot more straight down instead of having those little waves. and it looks a little more healthier. I'm gonna do the top. Something that I do is I leave these two that are already straight in the front, and I kind of leave the one that still needs to be straightened. So I'm gonna do my two front ones. Do you guys see that little like shyness that it gives? And then once I'm done with like the whole sections, I kind of just like to go over it one time, kind of like as a bunch. I'll just grab it and then kind of like comb it with my fingers, and then do the same thing on this side. And then my hair is fully straightened now. And then my hair, usually after I straighten it, it still feels healthy. It doesn't feel damaged. It doesn't smell like that burnt hair either. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed my video of how I straightened my hair and then what products I use on my hair. So I hope you guys are all staying safe and staying healthy and protecting yourself as well as your families. And I hope you like this video. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Go ahead and comment down below any future videos you want me to do. Don't forget to hit that post notification button to be notified every time I post a new video. Bye guys.